And here, this is one email where I sent the screenshot of my LinkedIn profile, which was hacked. So one day I open my LinkedIn account and I see that it is all the profile picture is changed. There is some Chinese girl's picture on LinkedIn, and instead of my profile pic, and the whole page is showing up in Chinese. I got many of the Chinese friend requests. So everything was changed on the LinkedIn profile. My name, nothing was showing up, and so I complained about it to cybercrime police station also, but no action was taken. So this is that one email which I sent regarding that hack profile. So so here these are the emails which are showing that how this a Gundagardi doing police women, Jubeda A. She has also been there on the upper floor flat most of the times since 2021 again. Since I shifted to this my current flat, the other people have been and of HCL Technologies and Cinecron and how HCL Technologies guys and girls started staying in my previous apartment. They stalked me to this apartment where I shifted since 2021. And this shameless police woman, she was in fact, once I had to record what how she was threatening me in the police station, not acting on my complaint, showing me that yes, they are also involved in collective harassment, but I cannot do anything and I should keep my mouth shut. How they was she was doing gundagardi, I had to record it, and she snatched my mobile from me. And when my father tried to make her calm, she actually twisted my father's hand, and she keeps on boasting about it that she had twisted my old father's hand, showing that how powerful she is. And so this Jubeda, because these police women and women of HCL Technologies, some girls of Cinecron, very few girls of Cinecron, because they were very good girls, and my friends over there in Cinecron also. So few girls of Cinecron and these HCL Technologies girls and women, and my previous apartment, Venkatadri apartment girls and women, they have been they have got together and they are torturing me in by showing me their power, because the guys are highly pleased with them, the guys of the group, whether it is HCL Technologies guys or they keep on boasting that even police will do what they will say, openly speak up that jo main bolungi wahi hoga, and they are all harassing me on behalf of girls, because these all of the girls in this group, they are very good looking. They keep on boasting about their youth, that they are very little girls, they are cute girls, and everybody's all the time talking in kid tone in this group. Even policemen, when they comment, they want to do this sexual harassment things on me, they also speak out sometimes in kid tone, because all of the guys and girls, even the ones who are married, because Rutuja Pature is married, she also keeps on speaking in kid tone, because everybody is enjoying in this luxurious setup, and they keep on doing this sexual jokes, sexual acts. Everybody's they're picking the girls in their lap, making them spit over me. So everybody's just very cozy in this group. Again, I don't have any problem with that, but the point is they are not letting me do any work, and they are harassing me very badly in criminal ways, using this hacking of my all electronic devices, and at a time how 30-40 people or 15-20 people are gathering over me at any point of time since 2021, and in fact 2020. So as these women have to show me that they that to hack on to hack, because they were jealous of automation profile, and they used to feel jealous, and they had to show me that they are better than me, and the guys are also flaunting them, all the guys, even the married ones also, they have been showing me that their women, their wives are better than me, and these girls, all of them are showing me that they are better than me in everything, better than me in looks, because in work or in knowledge, technical knowledge, they can't compete. So they boast that these guys have been able to ruin my career for them. The guys love them so much, and that's how for them they have been able to ruin my career. They keep on boasting about it, these HCL Technologies women and girls, and Rutuja Pature and other girls. So these girls and women, they are helped by police women like Jubeda and some senior police women also, because it's a big group. All of them were jealous earlier, even including the police. I don't know how police can have jealousy, but as I said, the Delhi policemen have been stopping me to ruin my career, to ruin my marriage prospects also, and because of their bad intentions, the bad intentions which they are speaking now by living on the upper floor of this flat where these SL technologies women and girls are living, who are boasting about this sexual act all the time, and they are how these women, girls, and the guys who are with these girls now, they are putting gunde mawalis to do sexually explicit comments and policemen to do sexually explicit comments on me. So they keep on boasting of the guy's power, the man, the power of men. They openly show me that I cannot. The guys should show me that they are men, and they can show me that they are men by doing sexual harassment to me, because these girls are, most of these girls are less educated, and they boast that only looks matter, and because of their looks the guys are harassing me all the time. The guys and men are harassing me all the time. HCL Technologies managers are also there in this group who are doing sexual harassment things to me all the time, and showing me that I am a minion in front of these HCL Technologies cheap chichora less educated managers and others whom I have been mentioning in my complaints to police. So this Jubeda to show me that to show the guys also, because some guys were doing appreciating comments to me that I am intelligent or that I have good knowledge. So these women fight with them that no, they are better than me, they also have intelligence. So this Jubeda and all these women, they started showing me that they can even guess what I'm thinking at any point of time, and this shows their intelligence, that they are so smart. This Jubeda since 2021 is showing me that she is even able to guess what I might be thinking at any point of time, because she has been snooping on me all the time. She has been tracking me with the resources provided to her and other women and men to track me everywhere, not even in my apartment but in all the offices, and wherever I'm going they are able to track me. They are sending people who gives them information about me wherever I go. So and that is how she shows me that she is able to even guess what I'm thinking, but she does the opposite comment. So she wants to irritate me. She shows me that she'll make me that much psychologically irritated also, that I'll get very angry. I'll be always angry at hearing her comments. So whatever I'm doing at any point of time, or let's say if I'm checking some matrimonial profiles, or let's say I'm doing any work, or I'm walking inside my flat and anything, some incident has happened in the morning, so she deliberately does opposite comments, not what I would be thinking or not as per my liking. She does opposite comments so that I would keep on getting irritated, but she keeps on doing such comments that she is able to get what I'm thinking at a point of time. So if somebody wants to psychologically harass you by tracking you all the time, they can do it very efficiently, and that's what this shameless Jubeda has been. Jubeda and other HCL Technologies guys and girls, men and women have been doing that. They are even showing me that so wherever I go inside my flat, whether to kitchen or to my washroom or inside my flat, or minimum 15-20 people are gathering over me. They literally run over me along with me. When I move to at any area in my flat, they also walk towards that area wherever I'm going. So it's very excitedly they are harassing me. They in a group of many people at any point of time since 2021. In 2020 it was less, but in 2021 they started gathering over in numbers of 15-20 people minimum at any point of time. At any point of time since so many years, since whole 6 years, in so many days. That's what this shameless Jubeda who makes these gunde mawalis, against whom I complained to police, her police station, her where she is deployed. Her police station, I did complain about some gunde mawalis and HCL Technologies guys, and she keeps on making gunde mawalis lean over me when I take bath, and these gunde mawalis are protecting Jubeda from me. How they are protecting Jubeda from me? Because when this shameless police women, cheap police women who is showing me that other girls in the group are good looking, as I said, it's only about looks in this group. So these police women, has they show me that all the girls in the group are very good looking, and what I think of myself, though I was never ever thinking anything of myself, and she keeps on when she is doing some gunda comment on me, and I even look in that particular direction and I get angry at that, the gunde mawalis, they start doing attacking way sexual explicit comments, attacking way very rapist like comments and actions on me. Why? Because I dare to get angry at Gunda command of Jubeda. I should be. This group is harassing me. This HCL Technologies guys and girls, and HCL Technologies managers, and this other guys and girls. They have been harassing me in way that I am their slave, and I cannot even get angry. I should be keeping mum all the time. I should very quietly just keep on tolerating their torture because they have power. Because I did not have much proof against them. So these Gunde Mawalis against whom I complained, they are showing that they are protecting this policewoman, shameless, cheap policewoman Jubeda from me. And if why when I'm complaining about this policewoman being there on the upper floor, it is not task of police to come to somebody's apartment and live there to torture the neighboring girl. But here this Jubeda is living on the upper floor of my flat along with this women group who were very jealous. They know that they were very jealous and they make fun of me that everybody knows that they were jealous, but they have been able to ruin things for me, and many of the girls are ahead than me now. So these women and girls along with Jubeda they keep on making Gunde Mawalis lean over me, and they keep on teasing Delhi policemen for me that they were stalking me because they had bad intentions towards me, so they can take out their bad intentions on me now in form of sexual explicit comments done on me now. These women are teasing this Jubeda, and these women are teasing policemen and Mawalis for me nowadays since 3-4 years. So when I'm emailing about this Jubeda being there on the upper floor, I am giving her details to police, her area police station also, to joint CP also, that what this policewoman is doing on the upper floor all the time, and I'm giving her details that she is there. Her mobile location can be checked, but no action is being taken. And she and other policewomen, and this 4 IT company people, obviously not all of them, but many employees of these 4 IT companies who were the whole of the group which was jealous 6 years back of few things, they are successful in damaging many things for me. They're successfully doing sexual harassment, because this will not be easily, the sexual harassment what they are doing will not be easily proved. And that's what these HCL Technologies managers and HCL Technologies guys and others guys of other three IT companies, they boast about that they are doing sexual harassment things to me, but it will not be proved. And in fact, they are taking me to that position where my knowledge is getting ruined. They are not letting me do any work. My career is getting ruined. My health is getting ruined very conveniently all the time. How they are not letting me sleep for 2 days. Let's say for one day I'm not sleeping for even for few seconds. I'm not exaggerating. Let's say for one day I'm not able to sleep for few seconds. The next day also I managed to sleep for few minutes. That's what I've been tolerating since last 5 years. And during the day also, when I start taking any nap, as they are snooping on me through my hacked mobile with microphone, and very minutely they are snooping on me, hearing my breathing, they wake me up by doing this attacking way, gunda commands or banging over me. And when I start recording, again, there are multiple people. When I start recording, they stop that person who was banging on me to stop the banging. Still have many recordings. It's not that I'm saying anything without any proof. I have many recordings of their bangings, what they used to do, and how these banging used to be showing me that they are snooping on me all the time. Loud bangings they used to do, hammering they used to do even at night times. And I have those recordings which I'll be putting out on internet, on YouTube later. So these are all the emails which I'm mentioning, that how this Jubeda is there, Abhishek Das of Cinecron and other people have been there on the upper floor. But police, I've given some people's mobile number, just like I have given Prabal Datta's mobile number and some other people's mobile number in my complaints. But their mobile location could be easily checked. If a girl is alleging sexual harassment by office guys who are doing competition, and by sexually harassing a girl, they are ruining things for her. That's how they are doing competition. If she is alleging sexual harassment, then that complaint has to be taken seriously, and mobile location could have been checked. But it is shown in these emails that never this mobile location could be checked, because it's very bigger than this. It's actually a complete conspiracy to defeat a girl who was not even fighting with them. It's a conspiracy to ruin things for a girl, because she is taking name of 4 IT companies, but she is saying truth. HCL Technologies has started really bad harassment, sexual harassment, though other companies were also involved. The other people also had hacked my mobile and laptops, microphone, camera, and other things. But the level of sexual harassment and the dirty acts which HCL Technologies Cloud has been doing, it's completely unbelievable. And in this email also, if you see, I have mentioned email to Delhi Police Commissioner email ID, Bangalore Police Commissioner ID, Joint CP ID, the local police stations of two police stations of Bangalore, as well as HCL Technologies Management, Synchron Technologies Management, the other two companies management whose employees are there on the upper floor, all of whom were only jealous few years 6 years back, and they included police. I complained to police station, but as these people were more, and this whole group of HCL Technologies, and where these and the apartment where I was living, where these HCL Technologies guys and girls came to stay to torture me, only to show me their power, because as per them ये है कौन अपने आप को क्या समझते. When I was not thinking anything of myself, they were jealous of my profile, and that is why they came to stay in my apartment. And when I complained to police, they in fact made police enjoy with them. The police and these people started enjoying making fun of me all the time, harassing me together to show me gundagardi of majority, that if they were gunda mentality girls and guys of HCL Technologies, Gunda mentality managers and guys of HCL Technologies, and this policewomen, they started showing me that she's a minion, she's only a girl, and we can harass her. And seeing me decent, seeing that I was living simply, I was only studying, I was trying to enhance my technical skills, from which all of them had problem, because if I would have enhanced, like I was learning few things during COVID time, on which all of these who were used to be there on the upper floor of my apartment, they were having jealousy, and all these guys and girls were just doing gundagardi, banging over me all the time in the night, and they were hearing my breathing, so that make me wake up from sleep. They used to hear my breathing after doing bangings, and they used to enjoy that I was having heart palpitation. And here I have mentioned in this email that if whatever allegations I am putting, that this group has been harassing me really badly, very, very badly, in this unique way which has never happened earlier, but in a very severe, very highly criminal way since last 6 years, 24/7. If the allegations and the are not found to be true, I'll take my complaint back. I'll take all my complaints back, whichever I have done since 6 years, or whichever I have done since 12, 13 years, when Delhi policemen and some guys of Delhi were harassing me in this way. And like some neighbors like Kamal Agarwal, his wife also was doing gundagardi, knowing that policemen and those guys were harassing me. So here I'm putting out some emails which are sent to my next company also, where these HCL Technologies HR and HCL Technologies management had contacted, along with Delhi Police and Bangalore Police senior level policemen, who are all harassing me more and more, doing more criminal things with me, as well as doing it with my family also. More gundagardi, more very organized torture across 2 states. Like, they are harassing my family in Delhi, they are torturing me in Bangalore very badly. They are very planningly ruining my health. They are badly, so that she is not even able to take up this complaint. They are doing killing harassment. Whenever I start having very, very fast heartbeat, like, even I'm surprised at how I'm surviving it. So at nights when they wake me up, or when they don't let me sleep due to this sexual harassment by a gang of guys, when 10-15 guys are showing you that they are able to track your body movements, and they are doing rapist like actions. Some policemen are doing rapist like action on which nobody can be comfortable, but these girls are doing sex jokes with this policemen. They are living throughout the day. Maybe in the night they go to their own flats, how these flats are provided to these guys and girls. But living in this old couple, Rajendra Pature, cheap, naughty, behaving Rajendra Pature and Sudha Pature's flat, they are all the time doing sex jokes, sex talks, this policeman, and Gunde Mawalis also. But these girls are very comfortable doing all of that, because they are enjoying with the guys, and it is fine with them if the policemen and Gunde Mawalis are doing such kind of jokes and talks, because as per them this is smart, and anyways they're getting salaries and they're able to ruin everything for me, so they are enjoying doing all this. So these are the emails which I sent to my next employer, and it can be seen how they are harassing me in a very killing way, and I'm not exaggerating anything. In even just now, as I said, again, these guys and girls started laughing on the upper floor, but I cannot prove that they're right now. Their sounds are not coming in this video, but you know very well that the level of harassment is extremely, extremely high than what I am able to describe over here. So, like, they are causing me all the time heart palpitations, all time stomach ache, all time headache, because since 2000 days, some 30-40 people, or at least 15-20 people are gathering over you. and I am mentioned how they are harassing me really very badly since 2000 days, all the time, 24/7. Only some few seconds gap might have been there sometimes, but otherwise, in turns, they take turns to torture. The whole bunch of people, they take turns to torture since 2000 days they are doing. So they are causing, they're not letting me sleep for two days together. So they are harassing really really badly, along with ruining my career, along with not letting me do any work also, my health, my personal life. When I start checking any matrimonial profile, they start doing more attacking way. They make these gunde mawalis, this Rutuja Pature, shameless lady, she and others, to save themselves. They're enjoying all the time because she was jealous, so she is enjoying with all these people, but they and her mother, actually, because these lumpans are respecting, showing that they are respecting these women because they are married, and they're enjoying it. They're enjoying the respect from gunde mawalis. They're enjoying the respect from policemen also, and they make these gunde mawalis do attacking way, rapist like actions, showing me that they're able to track my body movements. And as in, when I'm walking inside my own flat, when I'm walking from one room to another, then also I have to hear rapist-like comments and actions of Gunde Mawalis and HCL Technologies guys, because they are also walking on the upper floor. As I'm walking from one room to another, they also walk along with me because they are psychopathically hearing my even slight footstep, and they do rapist-like comments, rapist-like actions, which even hardcore rapists also won't have thought, or maybe they also, I mean, it's hardcore rapists only can think of such a brutal way rapist like comments and actions done to her when somebody is simply walking inside her own flat, because they are so psycho and frustrated. They are taking out their frustration in very bad sexual harassment to me all the time. A thought of doing brutally to any women. So right now also these 6-7 people, they are gathering over me, but it's again, that is not provable, and that's their win, that I cannot record their comments because they are doing in low volume, but at a time 15-20 people, and these number of guys are gathering over me, showing me that if I process one rapist like comment and action from one guy who is doing such actions, even when I raise my arm to type on laptop, because those guys are minutely all the time, 24/7, without any gap of few seconds also. They are only planningly with the policemen and with this these guys like Prabal Datta, Vipul Chhabra, all these IT company guys. They have only one task to do. They have to do sexual harassment, because 6 years back, 5 years back, I rejected their advances, and since then I complained against them, and as per them, I'm not taking my complaint back. So very minutely they keep on doing this sexual harassment really very badly, showing that I cannot win from them. And shameless girls and women of HCL Technologies, completely shameless women, girls who were very jealous 6 years back again, and without doing any work, they are getting salary only to boast about their looks, etc. These women and girls, they in fact blabber that I am not ignoring the actions of these guys, and as there is no touch involved, then it is not sexual harassment. When they even mock me that they enjoy that my health is getting ruined, my career is getting ruined, and the level of their jealousy also I cannot describe. So they show me that they see, we are getting you tortured because guys are doing whatever we are asking them to do because we are good looking. That's what only since 6 years these girls and women have been doing. The girls and women group residing on the upper floor, and how they have been provided other flats to enjoy also from HCL Technologies management and police of 2 states, and I'm saying it on record. So these women are made to enjoy by this police of 2 states. They are made to enjoy by HCL Technologies management, other 4 IT company management, the men of these IT company management who are harassing me very badly. And these girls in turn show me that what they will say, only that will happen, because they are enjoying how even police is listening to these girls. Delhi police, Bangalore police is listening to these HCL Tech's cheap girls and women, and the girls of previous apartment where these HCL Technologies girls and women came to stay. The police is listening to all of them, and they openly have been saying since last 5 years that whatever they will say, since last 5-6 years, that whatever they will say, that only will happen. And they are instructing guys to do sexual harassment also many times, and then they mock me that things which I have to face from gunde mawalis and policemen, they are so cheap, nothing else is happening in this group anyway. So they keep on doing such comments, which I am embarrassed to say that girls are saying this thing. But they show me that the rapist like actions and comments implying some actions on me that the gunde mawalis and this policemen they have made to do those actions they are enjoying with the guys, with the HCL Tech guys and other techie guys of the group. So here I've marked an email to my current office management asking them to give me the status of my POSH complaint, which I have given against my current team managers and the previous HCL, how HCL Technologies guys and girls and previous office people are allowed to harass me in the current office as well. And if you see the the email reply which I got is that they are routing my complaint to senior VP HR, and that he will deal with this case. And how these senior VP is dealing with the cases, they are living on the upper floor of my flat, the senior VP of HR, and they're getting me tortured from the upper floor in the ways which I mentioned in the previous complaints. So it's a very organized torture where these people are actually winning over me. They are doing very smart harassment, and because I don't have any proof, they are torturing me all the time. And in fact, because they are not letting me do any work on my laptop, and in a very organized way they started these girls who are who are boasting about their looks and who are boasting about their sexual acts, and because of pleasing guys with sexual acts since 6 years they have been able to ruin my career. They have been able to get the guys torture me when I'm working. They are able to make the guys do sexual harassment things to me from the upper floor, and by their comments and non-stop gathering over me and doing sexually harassing comments implying some actions, along with blabbering what I'm doing on my laptop at any point of time. So they have been able to twist things in their favor, because if I will not be updated with the latest technology, or let's say if my career won't be doing good, with career, how these guys and girls were jealous. So if my career won't be doing good, people will take people will take it as that in frustration I am alleging on them that I am a frustrated person, and I am frustrated with some people whose career is now going good. So I have shown their LinkedIn profiles. They are not these people who are stalking me, they are in better situation than they were, how they were in last few years. So people will take it as that in frustration I am saying all these things. I am doing POSH complaint anyways. When a girl is doing sexual harassment complaint, so a finger is pointing to her as well in our country, in India especially. In India, if you're doing a sexual harassment complaint, people start pointing finger at that girl also, that why this sexual harassment is happening to her only and not to other girls. And this is an extra pervert group, extra cheap group, where girls themselves are objectifying themselves, where the girls are themselves showing that because of their looks and because of they're able to please the guys are doing what these girls and women are asking them to do. So while themselves these girls and women of HCL Technologies and other women, the whole group of women like this Rutuja Pature etc., they are enjoying in everything, because that has been shown to me that by the Delhi policemen which are stalking me since long, even senior Delhi policemen, and the guys stalking me since 12-13 years along with Delhi policemen, and this current project guys like Vipul Chhabra etc. This group which is stalking me, I'm not talking about other people, they were friends, my friends in previous companies, Cinecron Technologies. Those guys were good to me, but the ones who are stalking me out of jealousy, since the guys and men who are stalking me out of jealousy and frustration that she has better career than us, she has better profile than us, technically she has better profile than us. These guys, men of 6 years who are stalking me, and the police women of Delhi, and these cheap policemen of Bangalore, they are putting all the women and girls above me. That has been an agenda, that all women and girls will be put above me, over me, and the girls and women are enjoying. And the more a girl shows that she has such desires etc., those girls, they are doing such sex jokes, sex talks always. And as I mentioned earlier, the HCL Technologies Chichora chief managers are showing that those girls are more respectable, because the more some couples are married also in this group, and as they're doing all time making fun of me because of me being single. So such women women are in fact respected more. How in uneducated societies, the girls who do cheap jokes all the time, they are in some societies the such girls and women are respected more, and they're making fun of me because I'm dumb, because I'm not doing such talks, jokes, or I'm not involved into any such activities, and I study mostly, so I'm dumb. So such is this group which is talking me. I'm talking about HCL Technologies, guys and girls, HCL Technologies management, who have ruined my career because I used to study during Corona times, and other people were doing all these acts, and this HCL Technologies management is with these people. HCL Technologies chief Chora managers are with these people, and they are harassing, ruining my career because as per them I had some kind of attitude, and because I was dumb, because I was studying and I was good in performance, I was dedicated to my work, and that is why I was dumb. So as this email was marked to some senior VP, and the senior VP is also there on the upper floor. This is my email to one HR of my another previous company, which I joined after HCL Technologies, and how these other two companies which I joined after HCL Technologies and Synchron, they are also colluding in this collective harassment and sexual harassment done to me. Why sexual harassment done to me? Because I'm not involved into sexual acts. I mean, I'm embarrassed to speak up this thing again and again, but that's what this group has been doing. And living in some married couple flat, they are showing that nobody would think that what I'm saying might be true, but this old couple in fact is behaving really criminal. They are not letting me sleep. I'm talking about this old couple. Generally the younger ones torture, generally in societies the old people complain that the younger crowd around them is harassing them, but here this old couple in fact is torturing me very badly, and right now also they're on the upper floor, just like the other people who gather over me 24/7, and they're laughing on me, because people will not believe that the old couple would be doing all these sexual jokes, sexual talks all the time, because they are married and they can do all such jokes. They are behaving very modern, ultra modern, that all the guys and girls are doing many actions in front of them, it like all the time doing all such acts, and the guys and girls are always sitting, behaving as if they're sitting in a lounge, and collectively they are torturing me, because as per the whole group I'm dumb, as per this old couple also I'm dumb, and dumb because I'm single, and at night they are not letting me sleep because I had to complain against them of the torture, how HCL Technologies guys and girls, Synchron people are living in their flat and doing sexual harassment also from there. So this cheap old man and his wife, they are not letting me sleep. This old man Rajendra Pature and his wife Sudha Pature, they do a lot of gundagardi on me. They are not behaving like even a bit like old couples, old people as in I have seen, never seen. When I'm saying that I'm not seen any old people doing gundagardi, because they do threatening comments to me. They keep on laughing on me after doing gunda comments all the time, because they know that for IT office management is with them. They know that Delhi police and Bangalore police is giving them respect over me and my family, and because this Delhi police, they are stalking me to ruin my career. They are stalking me to ruin my health, because I used to look younger than my age. So that was also a big problem with this police. I don't know why police had problem with me, along with this group which is stalking me. So this old couple is not only doing gunda comments on me, they are causing me all time heart palpitations. They are instructing these guys, Gunde Mawalis and HCL Technologies guys, to do this rapist-like action on me, because in any way they want me to, leave my flat. I have bought this flat with my hard-earned money. I am paying EMIs with very much difficulty, also because of the situation they are putting me in. But this old couple is all the time getting rapist-like actions done to me. This old man, he start doing sexually explicit comment. The old man, who might be in his 60s, he starts doing sexually explicit comments on me when I'm taking bath. So this thing I have never heard of, that old man would be doing this thing. If or if they're doing this, they'd be punished for that. So he starts doing sexually explicit comments. He starts doing such comments when I'm watching my TV, as this old couple is also watching my TV on their mobile on the upper floor. So this old man, he starts speaking comments like, if there would be Deepika Padukone on the screen, he starts blabbering that I look like Deepika Padukone, and if there would be a song in which some words of lips etc would be there, he starts doing such comments on me. And these the other guys and girls, he teases that old man for me, which this old man gets happy. And but as his shameless naughty wife Sudha Pature, this lady Sudha Pature, she has been since whole 5 years that I'm living in this flat. So the initial first year where this HCL Technologies guys and girls started harassing me, I was living in another flat. But since 5 years when I'm living below their flat, and the torture which this couple had started from the starting itself, even before I shifted, when I used to come for some interior designing work, then also they used to bang from the upper floor. So this Sudha Pature, who in fact make fun of my looks, and she has been blabbering that the guys who were doing advances on me, now they are with other girls because those girls are better looking and because those girls are cute. And she keeps on mocking me for looks along with other girls of HCL Technologies, other women of HCL Technologies, and she keeps on behaving as if she is a Saheli of these HCL Technologies cheap girls who have been boasting of their looks, who have been boasting of their sexual acts all the time. And openly they are showing that with their sexual acts, because they know how to please a guy with sex. They have been able to control the guys, and the guys are only doing what these women of HCL Technologies, these girls of HCL Technologies, and women like Sudha Pature, they are asking guys to torture me. So I'll just show an email which I sent to Shuchita Thapa, who was HR of another company which I joined after Cinecron and then HCL. The company name is Eli Lilly. So she was HR of this company, where again same way I was being tortured in sexual harassment way, which kind of torture was started by HCL Technologies mainly. Sujita Thapar, she was an HR of my one company which I joined after Cinecron and HCL. She is an HR in Eli Lilly and Company. And though I marked a mail to her that if CCTV camera of that company will be checked, it will come out that HCL Technologies guys and girls and few from Cinecron, they used to come in this office also. But I did not get any reply from her, and right now when I'm making this video on 15th of January at 10 p.m. she is there on the upper floor flat, and I'm saying it on record. I have marked a mail to her also twice, but she has not replied. Like today also, yesterday also I marked a mail on 14th of January that can she deny that she is not there on the upper floor of my flat and getting me harassed from there, because I complained against LM Lilly managers and few people getting involved in this collective 24/7 torture, which is actually a conspiracy. But she has not replied to it, and they're laughing on me because I'm not able to portray what they are doing. So these people right now from the upper floor, this Shuchita Thapar or this manager Prabal Datta, who was having complex, who was not letting me discuss things with team members on AI because he wants to learn AI more than me, and that's what the purpose has been. They want to ruin my career. They knew that she can go far ahead than us in career, very very far ahead than us in career. They knew it, and that's why this is a conspiracy hatched since last 6 years. But they are doing it very smartly, and they have been able to ruin even my knowledge, because they are doing sexual harassment which is unbelievable all the time in a very planned way. They are doing it, which is mainly started by HCL Technologies guys and HCL Technologies managers, and because of some girls who are boasting of their looks and other things, how they are pleasing their technology manager. So this Shuchita Thapar did not reply to my this email and another email which I sent to her, and she's there on the upper floor laughing on me because all these HR people, they are able to ruin career of a person who was technically good, who was performing good, just because she was not involved in this lounge and sexual acts done in this lounge, and boasting of looks, boasting of sexual acts all the time, and making fun of me because I am not involved in all this. So making fun of me. These HRs have been able to doing things for me, and they're contacting other companies' HRs as well. uh, because they like in this pervert mentality, and how the mentality is that she is a single girl living in Bangalore, and she is fighting the office management. Though I never wanted to fight any office management, I'm still not fighting. I'm tolerating their torture, and I'm putting it out on the internet when deliberately it's shown to me that they are doing open torture to a female, showing their power to her. um, So here, if we see, I have mentioned to complain to police and also to my office management of HCL Tech and other office managements, that this upper floor old owner Rajendra Patture, who is not behaving like a old man, he keeps on doing very cheap comments on me all the time and laugh on me, because now his daughter, who was very jealous, they all, and my office people who are living in his flat, living in this cheap Rajendra Patture old man's flat, they have been able to ruin my career, and he keeps on scaring me again and again by doing cheap comments, and by doing comments like people are making fun of me because the guys and girls living in his flat, and this ultra modern old couple of Rajendra Patture and Sudha Patture, they are making fun of me because the guys and girls in their flat, they are enjoying all these sexual acts, etc. Because that was, as I mentioned in 3-4 times in these videos, that the main reason of their torture was to make fun of me, because I am single, I am not involved in these things, and as per them it is dumb for a person to not get involved in any sexual activities, or to for a person to be single. So he keeps on doing such comments that tu bhi kar leti, and he keeps on doing such bad comments on me all the time, while not letting me work, while ruining my career, while ruining my personal life, while he and his wife, who keeps on laughing all the time, whose wife keeps on doing these sex jokes, cheap jokes with policemen, Delhi policemen, and HCL Technologies and other company managers. So this cheap couple, they only wanted power. They are not concerned about anything else. I am for these old people, I am somebody who is old, who is behaving old as in a person who is not enjoying in their cheap way, and who is being decent, who is being who is just simply keeps on doing her work, because most of the guys girls of this HCL Tech and other companies which are stalking, they can't do that work. I have mentioned in this complaint, as well as some complaints, email complaints, which I gave to my society, RWA, RWF, my society. But this family, they did not reply even once to that. If they are not doing the acts which I am mentioning in my email complaints, they would have replied to that. Anybody would have get agitated that a person is putting wrong allegations. But they know that using these things, using this all time 24/7, ruining of my health, ruining of my career, and getting sexual harassment done whenever I check any matrimonial profile, or whomsoever whenever I talk to any matrimonial guy, by doing all these things, by doing gundagardi 24/7 without any gap of even few seconds, this family can ruin my career, health, everything. They can keep on spoiling my life. So, and they know that police is protecting them, Delhi police and Bangalore police. Delhi police, which has been stalking me and harassing me. So I have been mentioning in the complaints how this old man also keeps on leaning over wherever I'm sitting, or whenever I'm in my bathroom, washroom. He keeps on leaning over me and pass cheap comments. And that's why I'm saying that I've never seen old people indulging into such things ever. Whenever I'm in my bathroom, then also he keeps on leaning over me and keeps on doing very cheap comments, only because he knows that there is 4 IT company management, all my enemies of my previous offices, who are living in this Rutuja Patture and this old man's flat. He knows that he'll be saved, and that is why he does such things, that he'll do kissing sounds on me, he'll do really unbelievably cheap comments, sexually explicit comments on me most of the times. So as this whole group of my previous 4 offices, HCL Technology, Synchron, and other 2 offices, they are snooping on me all the time. Snooping on me as in they are blabbering things, whatever I'm doing on my laptop or on my mobile, or what I'm doing on inside my flat, and at that they are doing sexual harassment things, where multiple guys and multiple guys of office, multiple mawalis, they keep on gathering over me, multiple policemen also of Delhi police and Bangalore police, because as I mentioned, these women who were jealous, they had put they have been teasing me for mawalis and policemen. They do sexual harassment together on me at any point of time wherever I am inside my flat. And they do it in a very smart way that the other person should feel sexually harassed, and we are tracking her all body movements on that. They do really aggressive way and really sexually harassing way, rapist like actions all the time openly, because they know that one person nobody would believe the kind of allegations that I'm putting, and their sexual harassment is way more severe than what I'll be able to describe over here. So these so as Rajendra Pature also keeps on doing the sexually explicit comment along with some HCL uncles. I'm using this word because these HCL technologies, few managers and few leads, they were jealous of my profile because they know nil about automation, or they are not technical. They have been into admin side, and since years they have been working on same projects or same outdated technologies. So as they were very extremely jealous, they are living in the upper floor flat, and along with Rajendra Pature, they do more sexually explicit comments, showing me that they are I'm not because I'm not good looking, because there are younger and good looking girls who have been with the guys who were doing such comments on me. So now these some old men like Rajendra Pature or these HCL Technologies managers who have been doing, they are doing most sexually harassing comments on me wherever I am inside my flat. I mentioned in the email that this old cheap man, the power showing very, very cheap old man Rajendra Pature, who is right now also laughing on me. But like continuously, he's laughing on me right now because I'm not able to describe what they kind of sexually explicit comments and actions they imply by their sexually explicit comments. So if I'm writing in this email that when I don't write about him, because at that, let's say I'm writing an email and that time other guys of HCL Technologies, Senecron, and other two companies, and some Mavalis are leaning over me, gathering over me, and Rajendra Pature is that time not gathering over me when I'm writing an email. I don't write about him because what is happening to me at that point of time, that I'll tend to mention in the email. So he leans over me in a gunda way and he mocks me that it's better that I did not write about him. So because he has been threatening me for my family, he has been threatening me for my even brother's family. Knowing that police is on his side, knowing that for IT company management are on his side, the IT company management who have been torturing me for their own wrongs and for their own shameless acts. And as I'm mentioning about this old man Rajendra Pature's sexually explicit comments, and these women of HCL Technologies, the HR Ananya Bhattacharya, Rajendra Pature's daughter, cheap girls of HCL Technologies who have been stalking me and doing mocking of me because of their enjoyments, and me suffering due to me being decent and working, delivering good performance in work. So they are making two policemen. One's name is Mantesh. He is a Bangalore policeman, and another policeman whose name is Raj Shekhar. Both are sub inspector. They are making them lean over me and making them do really bad way rapist like comments and actions, leaning over me. Because and these are the women who do these since 6 years, because these policemen are helping these women run what they are running since 6 years, and that is that the guys who were doing some advances on me, or two guys who were doing appreciation comments on me, they are with them or they are with their friends, the girls the girls group. So these women keep on showing me their power in this way, and these are the women who actually does all kinds of sexual jokes, sex talks all the time, because that's what only is happening in this group while making fun of me. So they do such cheap jokes about even female body parts, because it's a highly cheap and group where their jokes are on these things only. So they do such jokes with these policemen, but to show me their power, which is actually majority power, because as I mentioned 6 years back, these people were not good in career, not good in even personal life. They were jealous of my job profile, career, and salary, as well as my health. So they are already spoiled these things, and now they are making they are teasing these policemen for me, who then starts doing their rapist like comments and actions on me, because they know that being decent and totally unlike them, I'll get angry at comments of sexual explicit comments or even cheap comments leaning over me by policemen and gunde mawalis, with whom these women do all kinds of jokes all the time and keep on laughing with these policemen, and even they laughing with senior level policemen, senior level HCL Technologies and other companies senior level managers. So they know that they are pleasing these all these HCL Technologies managers and even higher level policemen and all, and to show me my place, they keep on making this policeman lean over me, and I would obviously get highly angry and highly harassed at such comments by the men with whom these women are all the time laughing, and the other things many of the women of this group are doing. And what these sub inspectors are doing on the upper floor since 6 years, since 5 years in this particular flat, along with some again gundagardi doing and cheap jokes doing, police women cheap acts doing and indulged in all these things. Police women, like one is Jubeda A. What they are doing is the policemen, police women also would amongst each other keep on teasing each other for these things that they want to do something amongst them, the way these HCL Technologies and Synchron Technologies guys and girls have been doing. Um, but for speaking the truth, these women show me their power, that now they are respectably with these guys who were doing advances on me, and I am for these sub inspectors with whom they only do such kind of jokes all the time since 5 years and not letting me do any work and spoiling everything for me. And it is also obvious that some mawalis, some lumpen kind of people, and the guys who would have less salary than me, who would have lesser job profile than me, they would appreciate these women and girls who are not educated. They would respect these women, in fact, in front of me. They would, these North guys who have been working in HCL Technology and Synchron Technologies, they have been showing me that they have married a few girls of this group as well, because these four IT company guys, they are competing with me in career, and while competing with me in career, they are ruining my health and my marriage prospects and everything, and they are mocking me, enjoying these with these cheap girls of HCL Technologies, all these HCL Technologies girls who have been doing all these, who started all these sexual jokes, sexual comments, and sexual acts running. And if you see, these emails have mentioned how this old man, Rajendra Pature, he keeps on laughing on me whenever I see videos of any kids, because this whole group of, whether it is cheap, old, highly cheap old man, Rajendra Pature, who is been doing sexually explicit comments and gunda comments all the time, laughing over me because of showing his power, and for IT companies, cheap guys and girls who were psycho level jealous 6 years back, they keep on making fun of me now. Because they knew that how important it was for me to have kids, to have family life along with my career, and everything they have been able to spoil using this unique way of 24/7 harassment, where they are doing sexual harassment which is not easily provable. The level of sexual harassment, the guys who felt spurned, who felt rejected, like Vipul Chabra and some other guys of Synchron Technologies, they felt rejected and they started flaunting girls over me. And how these women of HCL Technologies, I've never seen such cheap women and girls which I've seen in HCL Technologies, because they have nil knowledge and they are boasting about their looks, and how because of that they are surviving in HCL Technologies. They're getting salaries to please the guys using these things, and pleasing these HCL Technologies managers all the time. So these people, they knew how important it was for me to have kids, and how they have been, because of that, they have been scaring me whenever I open any matrimonial sites, and they are scaring me to a very bad level. In other videos, I will have to describe their rapist like actions on me, and to what level and how minutely they are doing sexual harassment. All these four IT companies guys who are stalking me, again, they were friends in my previous companies, they are not stalking me. They were guy friends also, they have been very nice, extremely nice to me, but it is a big group now which is stalking me, and these bunch of people have been doing sexual harassment things on me. So I'll have to mention to what level sexual harassment these guys who are doing career competition by doing sexual harassment to me in in a way where it's a gang of guys who gather over me, and then they do a sexual harassment, and they, with the help of Delhi policemen and Bangalore policemen also. Again, it would seem like if police is harassing me, I might be doing something wrong, whereas in this group it is opposite. It is opposite. The guys and girls of HCL Technologies and women and men who have been jealous of career, of job profile. They have been indulging into all these unethical things and getting me harassed through the police, which has an agenda of ruining my career, spoiling my personal life as well as professional life. So you can see these emails where I've been mentioning how these guys of HCL Technologies, Synchron, and other two companies, include mainly Vipul Chabra, one Saurabh Bharjare or his impersonator, and Prabal Datta, who are competing in career. They are right now. In fact, when I'm making these videos, they know that their sounds are not coming in these videos, so they are doing some again such comments, and along with some gliding hand way comments and actions and sounds over me. And I've been mentioning in these emails that whenever, and it's been happening since last 4 years, that whenever they have been doing sexual harassment to disturb me in work, simultaneous with their comments simultaneous with what I'm doing on my laptop, so that I don't ignore their sexually harassing comments and actions. They have been doing it since 5-6 years, but whenever I slightly raise my arm to type on laptop, then they do really bad comments and actions, which I can't describe right now. As soon as I raise my arm a little to type on laptop, these guys gather over me. There's Vipul Chabra, Saurabh or Prabal Datta, and Abhishek Das of Synchron, Bhaskar, and other guys. They gather over me and they start doing really rapist like comments implying such actions on me because my arm is slightly up to type on the laptop. They have been doing it since last 4 years. After I did some cybercrime related complaints to HCL Technologies also, and I'm not able to describe, because right now also I want to speak so many things. I want to speak up about their level of sexual harassment, sexual harassing acts, but I'm not able to, because a girl feels ashamed of describing what kind of actions and comments these four IT company guys doing, who were extremely jealous, and the shameless women girls who were jealous and have been boasting of their looks. They are laughing on me because I'm not at all able to describe. I want to speak up so many things of what they actually do and what kind of comments and actions they imply on for body parts, but I'm not able to describe it. So they are all laughing on me right now also when I'm making these videos. Because police of Delhi and police of Bangalore have been helping them out in running what these the psycho jealous people 6 years back who were psycho level jealous, they are doing to me. So in these emails I've been mentioning what these be it this old cheap man Rajendra Patture, who is showing me his power all the time, and right now as I took his name he started commenting, and this is what is happening. I took his name and he started commenting on me, but his comments are not coming up in this video. So really high level power these people are showing me, because they know that direct things I cannot directly I cannot show up their comments. They are doing such actions, gathering over me, catching my attention 24/7 since last 6 years. And so as I process one sexually explicit comment of one guy, before I process it, the other person does his sexually explicit comment implying some action on my body parts laughingly, and before I process that, before I even process that, another person would be leaning over me and doing such comments, along with along with speaking of what I'm doing on my laptop or mobile at that point of time. This old man Rajendra Patture, as if I complain about him, these all guys and girls of 4 IT companies and his daughter shameless Rutuja Patture and her husband and his wife. They keep on because they have to they would ask this man to do cheap comments on me and to even do sexually explicit comments on me, because his wife only keeps on doing naughty wife Sudha Patture, the old woman. She makes fun of my looks. She has been making fun of my looks after spoiling my health since last 5-6 years. Though I don't care about my looks, I care about they are spoiling my marital prospects. They are scaring me whenever I'm checking these matrimonial profiles, and a lot more they do when they start making gunde mawalis do really bad rapist like actions on me whenever I'm checking any matrimonial profile. Because if they would they are married, this Sudha Patture and Rutuja Patture, who were extremely jealous 6 years back, but now the situation is totally turned. If they will be able to if they'll be successful in keeping me unmarried, then people would it's as per Indian mentality, people would listen more to them. This married Sudha Pature, wife of chief old man Rajendra Pature, and her daughter Rutuja, who is one of the main person in all this conspiracy hatched against me, against nobody, but they have literally hatched a very very organized criminal conspiracy along with my four IT company people who are living in their flats. He keeps on, this old man keeps on doing kissing actions on me, and because this, as I said, this Pature family, they only wanted power, they wanted to show their power to me, being jealous because they were jealous of one single girl doing good in life, my health, my job profile, and the scope of getting high salary in Bangalore. So since 6 years, this old man, he keeps on, other than his sexual explicit comments and mocking me for sexual explicit comments and naughty way comments that he does on me and her naughty wife does with HC Technologies managers and senior managers, and in fact with senior level policemen, because they them only wanting power. He keeps on, this old man, he keeps on disturbing me during my exams also, mainly during my exams and mainly when I'm checking any matrimonial profile, etc., because they wanted to spoil such things for me. And right now I'm pausing in between because it's right now some 10-12 people are gathering over me and they're laughing on me, but their sounds are not coming in this video. So I'm actually frustrated that I'm not able to show directly what they are doing indirectly, but I have very very good proofs of what this group has been doing to me since last 6 years and what Delhi police has been doing to me since last 12 13 years. This Rajendra Pature, who is now also he is commenting on me shamelessly because he is not scared of anybody, just like other guys of 4 IT companies who are stalking me. So whenever I feel scared of one rapist-like action, because it's their sexual explicit comments and rapist-like actions of these 4 IT company guys and Gunde Mawalis in this group and policemen and this Rajendra Pature, they are not even a second apart, not even 2-3 seconds apart. So when I'm scared of one rapist like action in attacking way that they do to me and how very smartly they are doing to me since last 6 years, and the instant I'm scared, I have to bear another rapist like action and sexual explicit comments, though I'm not able to describe it properly right now. So I start having heart pain, I start having chest pain, I start having really really bad fast heartbeat, heart palpitations, and this Rajendra Pature and his wife laugh on that, and they do it day and night. They mock me for my anger level at the sexual explicit comments, because nobody in the world before 6 years, even when before 6 years, nobody dared to do such kind of comments on me directly, such kind of rapist like actions. Forget about anything like that. I was having respect in my previous offices, but these HC Technologies girls are jealous of that. Few girls of my previous office were jealous of that. So they started, it's like shame. I am feeling ashamed of speaking of this, but these girls are pleasing guys so that these guys can get sexual harassment done to me. The guys who were doing advances on me. So I was having respect because of my work. I was having respect of, because I was decent, and the people who were good, who were nice, they were they were good to me. The guys were good to me, but only this group of HCL Technologies and how these HCL Technologies girls came to live in my apartment, and that apartment guys got along with them. This group has been doing really bad sexual harassment. The father of this jealous girl Rutuja Pature, Rajendra Pature, about whom I am talking about, this old man is doing sexual explicit comments and mocking me for that. This Rajendra Pature shamelessly, in fact, comments on my mother also cheaply, that my mother is looking good in the video call that I am having on my mobile. I am having video call with my mother, but I am hearing laughters and cheap comments of this cheap old man Rajendra Pature on that as well, because just like everybody's teasing the other person with different people of the group. It's a highly cheap group where these old people are also only doing sexual jokes, sexual comments, and making fun of me that I am not sexually active. But as I'm enjoying my work, I travel and I enjoy that, so they are disturbing me in that. They are not letting me do my work. And again, another unbelievable thing is that if I go on some trip, like this year and last year, I went on trips, and there also they send their people within the trip. A bunch of girls who are living on the upper floor of my flat, they were in that trip, and later on I got to know that they were also part of this group. So these are all unbelievable things, but I'll be able to prove all of it. And like it's really shameful, and nobody can believe that an old man would be doing kissing actions on a girl who is living, who is his neighbor. And you know, but he's saved by my four IT company people. Nobody would believe that he keeps on doing sexual explicit comments whenever I take bath in my flat from upper floor. He keeps on doing such comments, so it is not very believable things. But this whole group is completely out of limits. It's like not at all. It's completely all unethical things are doing, because they all wanted only power, they all wanted money, and they all wanted to enjoy in such ways. And they keep on making fun of me because these girls blabber that I am Devi. I'm not anything like that, but I wanted to do good in my career. I wanted to find a good guy for me myself. So this group which did not want me to have love marriage, this group which has been stalking me to ruin my career, they are enjoying sexual acts and making fun of me, while I am like this, that I wanted good career, I wanted to travel, I wanted good life, I wanted to choose a husband on my own, and I wanted to have kids. I still along with a good career, which all of which this cheap group has been spoiling badly. So these people, four IT companies and two states, policemen, policewomen, they are harassing me really very badly. They are doing harassment which can kill a person if their torture, 24/7 torture and sexual harassment in gang. Where a gang of guys do sexual harassment together. They gather over me all the time, and it's a very smart and different, unique way of harassing, where a group of people, a group of 30-40 people at all times are showing a person that they are able to track her each and every movement inside her flat, because they have hacked her all electronic devices, and that they are able to track her breathing. They are able to do sexual harassment to her in a big group, and they are not letting her do basic things like drinking water. They are not letting her it's very difficult to speak up about sexual harassment, so they are not letting me breathe properly. And this has been going on since 6 years. Though Delhi policemen, policewomen, they were harassing Delhi policemen, and few lumpans stalking with the Delhi policemen. They have been harassing since 12-13 years. But the way HCL Tech and other three IT companies have started 24/7 harassment and sexual harassment, this nobody could do earlier. So I actually am making these videos to seek help from public, whosoever is watching this video, because this harassment 24/7 can actually kill anybody if they would not make that person take extreme step with his or her life. They would still kill that person. The way they have been harassing, the way they are causing heart palpitations, heart pains, chest pain to me at all times. I am having acute headache where it's like my head will blast, and this all I am facing since last 6 years, not now. I am doing deep breathing, I am doing forceful breathing, and that's how I am surviving. I am taking care of my health in extra way, but they are ruining it. So even if I am taking care of my health, it's not yielding good results. That extra caution that I am taking in taking care of my health, that is to survive, that is not to die. So this level harassment they are doing 24/7, which is not describable and which is not easily believable also. So I'm just asking, requesting public, whosoever is watching this video, to help me out, to help me in routing this video to honest and genuine political persons, or to maybe to route it to media, to give me some legal support, to tell me which lawyers I can contact, or I can take it up legally, because this group is showing me their legal power also, that they have good contacts in. and in legal system. So I'm seeking help, which anybody watching this video can, they can share their comments, they can subscribe to this channel, they can do likes to these videos. And I'm not asking for subscribing to the channel to do things like I want to monetize my channel or anything, because these videos I'm putting out after a lot of hesitation. So I cannot take any benefit of that. The only benefit that I'm seeking is that to get help to have this harassment which is happening to me and my family by HCL Technologies, Gundagardi, Cheap Group, and other 3 IT companies management, and the Delhi police and Bangalore police, how they have been harassing me and my family in really unbelievable way, 24/7. I'm not only tortured when I'm inside my house, I'm tortured when I'm in office, when I'm on way to somewhere, then also I'm harassed in multiple ways, because it's for IT management hiding their acts, hiding their cheap acts, criminal gundagardi, and it's Delhi police and Bangalore police which is harassing one person, that to a female. So they are using very smart ways to torture me everywhere. So I am asking for help. Please, whoever is watching these videos, please leave out some comments. Please subscribe to this channel, or give me in the comments. Please mention any legal help which I can get, any contacts of any lawyer which can help me. Though the other side is very powerful, so I need contacts of some genuine lawyers who can fight powerful people. Or please tell me the way out. Please tell me how I can stop this very smart organized harassment done to me, which has not been done to anybody in the world ever, which is by hacking all electronics devices of that person since many years and torturing her everywhere, ruining her personal life, professional life. And though that person is not doing anything which can be termed as wrong or unethical, I was only doing good in my career after my divorce. I was abstaining from things which could ruin my health, only because I wanted to get remarried, to have good family life with kids, and because of jealousy of these IT companies people, not obviously all of them, but the ones who are stalking me, but who are supported by these companies management, especially HCL Technologies, Gundagardi, and Cheap Acts doing group, who are boasting about those acts only, and making fun of me. So this was their reason to torture me. They were jealous, and they could make fun of me only because of me being single, and not ruining my career totally, because the guys of my projects, they are showing me that to please the girls who are pleasing them, they are openly showing me that they are ruining my career, and they keep on laughing on me. I'll be putting out more videos naming those guys, and what level enjoyment this whole group of 4 IT companies is doing, how they have provided a lot of facilities, how they are provided flats where they don't have to pay rent, because they are harassing me collectively. And I'm saying on record that HCL Technologies has been paying these guys and girls only and only to torture me. The Delhi police is splurging a lot of money to harass one female, to torture her everywhere, in every way, to contact her office management, to ruin her career, and to hide their ill intentions, how they have been stalking her because of their ill intentions and agenda of ruining her professional and personal life, because they have kind of big problem with me for different reasons which I have mentioned in these videos. So this is a very this torture is that one person is tortured by very, very powerful people, and they are not torturing her. Sometimes when I'm making these videos, when I'm writing a complaint about them, they show me that that time also they are torturing me. So they are not even letting me complain about them. And it's a very, very grave form of torture. If it is done to me, it can be done to anybody else as well. And I have been very strong, but not everybody can be this strong. So I request people who are watching these videos to please leave out their comments, to like this video, and also to share it across as much as possible, so that these people who have been torturing and doing it in a very smart way, they understand that though they are very powerful for IT management and Delhi police and Bangalore police, and mostly these people who are torturing me, they are doing it out of jealousy. Though they are powerful, but they were jealous of IT career and other things, so they have ruined my life. and they're doing such things which can't be spoken up publicly, though they and the level of torture which I have described is very very less than how they have been harassing me. Whole group in a group they harass me all the time. It's very less than what is actually happening to me since many years now, especially since 6 years after I joined HCL Technologies. So please help me out. I need help of people who are watching these videos. Please help me in any way in which you guys who are watching these videos can help out. So these HCL Technologies guys and HCL Technologies managers and other three IT companies guys, they are openly showing me that they are harassing me in killing harassment way. They are ruining my health very very badly, all because of the girls with him, the girls who are pleasing them by doing all those acts. So those girls, as the girls talking since 6 years, more than 6 years now, along with this group, they had some of them had lesser salary, etc. And as I mentioned, in skills, technical skills wise, or nil knowledge they have on the technical things. These guys to make that girl happy are ruining my career, because and totally shameless, cheap, and really bad character, these girls of HCL Technologies, and one apartment where all these HCL people had come to stay. These girls openly mock me that because of doing such acts with guys, because the guys are totally mad about their looks. They have been able to get each and everything done to me, how they have been harassing me 24/7, and they openly speak out that जो हम बोलेंगी वही होगा, because you know that police and HCL Technologies management harassing me, and she'll not be able to survive this collective 24/7 torture. Also, these girlfriends, they were not girlfriends of these HCL Technologies guys. The guys and girls, many of them, they did not even know each other. They all had gathered to harass me, to bring me down in career. Knowing my knowledge level and how that thing can fetch good salary in Bangalore. So these guys and girls, they become girlfriend boyfriend, in fact, in last 6 years, while harassing me 24/7. While harassing me 24/7, while harassing me in killing ways, they have become girlfriend, boyfriend, and together they are getting me harassed through gunde mawalis and policemen who are showing that they are at the service of this Rutuja Pature and her family, because they wanted to put girls and women over me. They have been multiple cyber crime complaints, so many cyber crime complaints which I have given in Bangalore to Deputy Commissioner of Office. I have given cyber crime related complaint to even Commissioner of Office, tagging the cyber crime email IDs. And in fact, I have gone to cyber crime police station in Bangalore for my complaint, and they refused to take up my complaint. So Delhi police and Bangalore police, they are deliberately not taking any action on this cyber crime because all of this harassment, where a group of 30-40 people at a time, they gather over on the upper floor and they keep on harassing me, not even 1-2 seconds apart, getting me sexually harassed really badly by gunde mawalis. So the Delhi police and Bangalore police deliberately are not taking action on my cybercrime complaint, because they know that this torture would be enough for killing me, knowing my heart palpitation. The very very acute headache I get because of their gang rape based sexual harassment by multiple guys, and also the kind of comments, threatening comments and gunda comments the girls of the group, including the HRs of HCL Technologies, Ananya, and the other two HRs, they do over me. How they wake me up. So they know the torture level when somebody is trying to sleep and that person is being woken up, how that feeling is, and how I many a times get heart palpitations even because of that also. So these girls and women, they keep on waking me up when they get to know that I'm sleeping, and how these women, the HRs of HCL Tech, whom I had named in my complaint, the HRs of other 3 IT companies, they are waking me up. And the other cheap girls of HCL Technologies who are boasting about their sexual acts all the time, they are waking me up because they are snooping on me. They are tracking my breathing also. So like psychopaths, they are tracking my breathing, and whenever they come to know that my breathing has become really slow and she is falling into sleep, these girls and women, they wake me up. And I've written their complaints in the emails also, but they are showing that all the guys of HCL Technologies who were in my project, or some senior managers of HCL Technologies, the policemen, the senior policemen, policemen, the guys anyways who are living with them, they are all protecting them. They are in fact acting as per these girls and women's instructions, because actually these guys like Vipul Chhabra or Saurabh Bhorjare or some other guys of my previous projects, they are showing me that these girls are better than me, and they are flaunting those girls over me. They are putting those girls over me all the time, because these guys were jealous of my career. These guys were jealous of me having good health, etc. And they have ruined my health, my professional life, my personal life. They're competing with me, and they are flaunting these mostly less educated girls over me all the time, and while harassing me. So they are harassing very badly. I have such kind of headaches where I'm having acute nerve pain in the head. Since last 4 or 5 years, I am having acute pain in the nerves which are connecting to from shoulder side to heart. There are some nerves where I'm having pain. I am having pain in my chest because I sleep sideways because of coiling up, because I want to avoid the kissing and sucking sounds of these gunde mawalis whom these women have started teasing for me because of their jealousy, and how these gunde mawalis stalking me along with this whole group of 4 IT companies. They are doing such sounds and actions, leaning over me and attacking me at my each breathing. So things are not believable, but at my each breathing, those gunde mawalis do such actions on me when I'm trying to sleep, or even when I'm working on my laptop, or I'm doing anything in my flat. At my breathing, at each breathing, at every instant they do such sounds, so I'm not able to breathe properly because of this rapist like attacking me, kissing sounds of those gunde mawalis whom these Vipul Chhabra and some girls of HCL and other IT companies have put over me. And I'm having acute stomach ache. I'm having pukish feeling all the time, because right now also when I'm making this video, I'm typing in between on the laptop, and whenever I'm making some so they hear the typing sound, and whenever the typing sound and gap in the typing sounds are there, as per that they do really bad attacking way, really bad actions, so that I'm not able to type on the laptop. They do pressing, sucking, really bad comments and actions on me, hearing those typing sound which hearing the typing sound which I'm doing on my laptop, and the gap in the typing sounds. So it's really grave way harassment that they're doing, and it's not believable. People will not be able to understand the severity of the harassment, because even I'm not able to describe it. Maybe later on I'll be able to describe what they're doing when I'm typing on the laptop, so that I'm not able to type on the laptop. This is their way of ruining my career. This is their way of not letting me do any work. Hearing the typing sounds on the laptop, be it my personal laptop or office laptop, and it's a group of guys which are leaning over me when I'm typing anything on the laptop, and the level of sexual harassment they do that time, it's I'm not able to describe it at this moment. These guys of 4 IT companies, especially this Vipul Chhabra of Deutsche Bank, who was in Deutsche Bank project in HCL, and Bhaskar Srivastava of Cinecron, Abhishek Das, and Saurabh Bhorjare or his impersonator, and then recently Prabal Datta. They guess my location, where exactly I'm sitting inside my flat, and then they all lean over in a group from all sides, and then they do very intimate way. So all some 6-7 guys, or even more than that sometimes, they are together leaning over me, and some will be commenting on what I'm typing on my laptop, so that I cannot ignore them, and some would be doing really intimate way, really bad comments implying some actions. I'm not able to describe it. I cannot, but I'll have to describe it. I'll have to mention what exactly they are doing, how they are able to cause me this heart palpitation since last 6 years, how they are not letting me work, though I am still ignoring them and continue my work, but it feels like slave, as if a girl who was decent, a girl who was educated, and the other cheap girls and guys of HCL Technologies, they have been able to show her, the managers also, Chichora managers of HCL and then other 3 IT companies, they have been able to show her that she is their slave, because sitting in this really intimate way, rapist like, and in between that attacking way comments, because it is not even a second apart comments that they do. So in 24 hours they do different kinds of comments, but mainly in intimate way they do comments showing me that they are able to snoop on me, they are able to track me very minutely, and that's how they are showing me their actions, imagination of what actions they are doing, they are imagining doing to me all the time since 6 years. And they actually are laughing over me right now because I am not able to describe the level of harassment, killing harassment they are doing. They are ruining how they are ruining my health, how they are causing me this chest pain, heart pain, headache, stomach ache, pukish feeling all the time. It's not describable. I'm not able to mention what all actions they are doing, but in the later videos I'll mention, because I had mentioned about in the my email complaints to HCL Technologies and and Cinecron, as well as the other companies which I joined after I left HCL in 2024. And I request all of you who are watching these videos to help me out by commenting on these videos and liking it. It's not for any other purpose that I'm requesting to like and comment. Me and my family need help from people, because I am harassed from a group of 4 IT company management only because my performance in office was good and I was not indulging in their cheap things, and I am tortured by 2 states police who are only making fun of me because of being single, and their this group's activities are so shameless that I am feeling embarrassed to speak up about it, but their only comments since 6 years are sexual acts and money, nothing else, and that's why they are harassing me so that I don't go ahead and have good salary, etc. And now it's a very big criminal minded group of people who are doing utterly shameless things with a girl, with a female, and I request to comment on these videos so that people like this old man Rajendra Pature, who keeps on doing sexually explicit comments, and all the time he shows me that he's watching my each and every movement inside my house by hacking of my mobile, laptop, along with others. So he's taking benefit of his old age and showing me his power. Please comment on these videos so that people like him who are harassing me since 6 years, they are put behind bars, and me and my family gets saved from their criminal torture and gundagardi going on since many years, where they are torturing us 24/7 in really organized and planned ways. Thank you so much for having patience in watching videos, even if you guys have watched it in bits and pieces, but still thank you so much for watching these videos.